Are you going through a lot of anxiety and stress in your life? Do you want to improve your concentration and focus? Then this crystal is for you. Amethyst is a very, very beautiful crystal in violet color. It helps in evolution of your spiritual consciousness, attain higher state of consciousness, reduces your anxiety and stress, increases the clarity in mind, increases the ideation process, helps you to align with your life purpose, passion, and intention. If you are facing challenges in making decisions or clarity of thoughts, amethyst will help you beautifully. It also helps you in getting good sleep. If you want to develop intuitive abilities, means ability to get intuition, ability to see energies, focus on something, this one is the best one. So there are various variants about this crystal. Amethyst crystal mainly works on your upper three chakras, to say so, third eye and crown chakra more. It also helps in changing your aura to grow more spiritually. So this crystal is available in the form of bracelet, pendant, or mala, as well as a water bottle. So when you utilize the pendant, you can wear any one pendant at a time. Usually, if you have a bracelet, you can wear 2-3 bracelets together. Mala, it's a bigger one to get deeper level, and especially the energy water bottle, that's more deeper impact. Why? Because our body is 70% of water, and when you drink the amethyst crystal energized water, it impacts the 70% of the body at a deeper cellular level. So when you utilize the combination of both bracelet, pendant, and water bottle all together, it's like power packed healing transformation happening. So choose wisely, make sure you utilize the amethyst crystal regularly, and it's going to be change your life magically. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hear experiences from you about utilizing the amethyst and getting the desired outcome. This is for those who don't know or want to know what are crystals actually. So crystals are a form of minerals that are formed within the earth. If you see, all the gadgets has some or other kind of crystals. Crystals has the property to amplify the signals whatever are being sent through them. Crystals have its own conscious beings energies within it. It's in a higher evolutionary state. There are different kinds of crystals, thousands of kinds of crystals. In this store, you find limited number, which we feel are apt to address some various aspects of life. That's why we keep it limited. So that's why when you utilize crystal in whatever activity you do, it starts amplifying, be it related to health, finances, relationship, spiritual aspects. It helps in start amplifying. So use combination of various crystal. If you want to use physically, use in the form of pendant, bracelet, or mala, so that they are always in contact with you, and so that your every cell of mind and energy of your system continuously is at a higher state of vibration. You are not impacted with lower vibratory energy. Use combination of crystals. If you are using bracelet, use 2-3, that is sufficient. Don't use so many different types. And always use combination of water bottles as well along with it, because when you use crystal water bottles, it helps in clearing and reprogramming at the cellular level. Why? Because our body is 70% of water. When the crystal energy goes at the water level also, it helps in very, very powerfully transforming. All the crystals in this store I personally consecrated by me, energized and charged, so that you can directly utilize. It's used for specific purpose. So when it comes to bracelet, pendant, and mala, if you are personally using, no other people should touch it or no other people should use it. Only you need to use. If you are using a water bottle, entire family can utilize it.